Hi everybody. I have a strange breeding behavior between these white polar parrots. As you can see, the male and female are in the cave and they are breeding. And there is another one outside guarding them. From time to time, this one is going inside but is not engaging in the breeding behavior. But as you can see, it is guarding the outside. So I don't know what's going on. And this happened several times. First I thought he is breeding with them or she's. Then I realized no. It's just a guarding behavior and they have nothing to do with him or her. But any other fish is coming near them, they attack them. Let me know in the comment if you have witnessed similar situations. Thank you.